Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is the integral. We have the integral of x to the power of 2 dx over the square root of x to the power of 2 plus 1. So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we put about x equal to tan t, dx equal to dt over cosine t square. Now we need to change x and dx. X square we change to tan t square. This one similar. Dx we change for this one. Next we have 1 plus tan t square equal to 1 over cosine t square. We change this for this one. Now we have the square root of the square root of 1 over cosine t square. This one should be about 1 over cosine t. Cosine t and cosine t we cancel together, and now you have only cosine t in here. Next we have tan t equal to sin t over cosine t, and we have 1 minus sin t square equal to cosine t square, or cosine 1 minus cosine t square equal to sin t square. So we change for this way. So we can separate them into two integrals. The first one, that's about 1 over cosine t to the power of 3 minus 1 over cosine t, because we have cosine t square divide cosine t square. Next, we multiply cosine t on numerator and denominator. That should be about cosine t to the power of 4. This one similar. Next, we have cosine t square equal to 1 minus sin t square. So we change this one into 1 minus sin t square to the power of 2. And now we can use about integration by substitution. That's about z equal to sin t dz equal to cosine t dt. This one we change to 1z to the power of 2. Cosine t dt we change for dz. This one change to z to the power of 2. Let's see about dz. So we consider about this one first. In here we have the integral of 1 minus z square plus 1 plus z to the power of 2. This one and this one they cancel, so we have 1 plus 1 is about number 2, so we put about 1 over 2 in here. About 1 minus z to the power of 2, and to the power of 2 we can put 1 minus z to the power of 2, and 1 plus z to the power of 2 dz. Next, 1 minus z to the power of 2 divide 1 minus z to the power of 2, you will get about 1 over 1 plus z to the power of 2, and we have 1 plus z square divide 1 plus z square, you got about 1 over 1 minus z to the power of 2. So we put this one next to this one, and now we can find the final answer in here. The integral of 1 over 1 plus z square, you will got about 1 over 2 r tan of z. Next, we have 1 over 2 minus number 1, you got about negative 1 over 2 with the integral of this one. Next, this one we can separate them into 1 minus z multiplied 1 plus z. On the numerator we have 1 minus z plus 1 plus z. We have 1 plus 1 is about number 2, so we need to multiply with number 2 in here, and you got about number 4. 1 minus z divide 1 minus z, you will got about 1 over 1 plus z, and we have 1 plus z divide 1 plus z, you will got about 1 over 1 minus z. We have the integral of 1 over 1 plus z, you will got about natural log of 1 plus z, and we have the negative because the minus sign next to the z, that's why we have the negative in here. And we put about c. Now we need to change z back to the x. About z, that's about sine t. About t, we have this one. We change t equals to r sine of s. We put in here. And that's the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.